Question: what happens when an engineer develops a passion for fashion? She cracks the code for personal style. Find out how coming up next. When did I crack the code for fashion? Good question. I started Style Challenges, which is my online personal styling program, in 2014. And this is when I really figured out that my experience as an engineer could be super helpful in teaching women how to dress in outfit formulas that would work for every body type. Seriously. So there's the obvious thing that I wasn't looking very good, but I was also not feeling very good either. So the snowball effect that started was that I started to lose motivation because I just wasn't feeling as good about myself. I was pulling my hair back in a ponytail. I wasn't wearing makeup. I just wasn't taking care of myself throughout the day. And this just continued for months on end until I finally got to a point where I knew I had to do something. I just wasn't sure what it was. So one night I pulled out a blank sheet of paper and I wrote down every hour of the day on it. And I decided that I was going to fill out this hourly schedule for my day and stick to it. And I did. So I put working out at the top of my day, getting showered and getting dressed in real clothes. And when the time came, I actually did it. But the problem is when I went to get dressed in real clothes, I walked into my closet and there was nothing in there except relics from my corporate past life. I had nothing that would work for my new work from home lifestyle, and that's why I resorted to yoga pants every day. Naturally, I took to the internet and did some research. I started looking for cute, casual, put together outfits for work from home moms, but there really wasn't anything out there at the time. Now, this was 2012, before the proliferation of all the style bloggers that you see today. And seriously, there's like a style blogger for everything. You want saran wrap outfits? Hey, you got them. I don't want to see that. But I finally came to the realization that if I wanted this resource, I was going to have to create it. And that's exactly what I did. I started Get Your Pretty On initially as my accountability partner, but it's grown into so much more. And it grew quickly because there were a lot of women out there at the time that were looking for resources exactly like I was providing at Get Your Pretty On. How do these magical outfit formulas work? Well, it's easy, at least for me. I give you a shopping list of seasonal trends and classic basic pieces that you probably already have in your closet. Then I show you different ways to pair them up. So you'll have pieces in categories like tops, bottoms, jackets and outerwear, accessories and footwear. And then I take those pieces and I pair them up in at least 4 to 5 different ways so you get to maximize your budget and get the most use out of everything in your closet. Brilliant, right? Now that I'm done patting myself on the back, how do outfit formulas work? So seriously, outfit formulas work for everybody. We have women in the program from size 0 to 24, and on both ends of the spectrum, we have women from the age of 25 all the way up to 75 and everything in between, and they are able to make these outfits work for them. We even have women in over 20 countries that participate, so it truly, truly does work for everybody. If you're ready to learn how to create outfit formulas that work for your life and lifestyle, I would love to have you join me. You can sign up at getyourprettyon.com. And while you're there, be sure to download my free Closet Staples shopping list so that you'll know every piece that you need to have in your wardrobe year round to create a multitude of mix and match outfit formulas. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you liked this little bit of history and background into how an engineer cracked the code on personal style. See you guys next time. Bye.